Good morning. Can you believe it? Already week 13. And this week we're going to talk about meetings, conventions, and expositions. This is the area of hospitality that has not recovered. In many of the other things that we've talked about, I think that you can see in your everyday life, there are people staying in hotels, there are people flying, there are people going into restaurants, maybe still not to the same volumes that we are used to or customary to. But meetings, conventions, and expositions have had a slower recovery, simply because a lot of what we associate with meetings, conventions, and expositions happens in large volumes of people. And so I'm not sure if you've seen on the news, San Francisco travel in consideration with the Convention and Visitors Bureau and the Convention Center, have really tried to promote and celebrate the conventions that have returned to the city of San Francisco as an example. There are pockets of places in the United States and around the world where things are really back to normal. Some even in our Bay Area. However, on the whole, if you look at larger cities, you'll see that the meetings, conventions, and exposition business has trailed in its recovery. And that can be attributed to a lot of different factors, one of which being that lots of people got used to working from home, working remote, and being able to utilize technology to be able to have their collaboration. I believe if asking a lot of different types of people, they would definitely say that they miss the in-person opportunities that they once had to be able to collaborate together. So as we review the information in this particular week, it is based on a normalized situation where we'll think about the different reasons people meet, the different types of venues, the different considerations that we need to have, what it takes to plan a meeting. And I know that meeting planning is often one of those very popular kinds of job tracks for ladies and gentlemen such as yourself to be interested in. And so thinking about all of those considerations. The interesting thing about meeting planning is that it could be that you are a meeting planner of a venue, such as a convention center or a hotel, but you could also be an in-house meeting planner for a larger company where their primary role is to find locations to hold their company's meetings. So a couple of different tracks in there from a career opportunity perspective. A secondary note that I have, kind of not necessarily due right now, but to start thinking about because it will be coming up. There is a group leadership project that I'll introduce in this week as well, so that you can take a look at that and let me know if you have any questions. I wish you a great week ahead, and thank you so much. Hope you're well. Bye.